Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we are diving into the world of YouTube Community Guidelines, the rules that keep this platform safe and enjoyable for everyone. Let's face it, understanding this guideline can feel overwhelming, but fear not, this video will break them down for you so you can create awesome content without any worries. In this video description, I'll give you the YouTube community blog link so you can understand more. Why do guidelines matters? Community guidelines help maintaining positive environment for everyone on YouTube. They ensure viewers can enjoy variety content without encountering harmful or offensive material. Plus, following the guideline helps your channel avoid strikes or even termination. YouTube guidelines are more harder than past few years. So learn YouTube guidelines. It's very useful for you. So learn YouTube community guideline is very necessary for you if you want to earn success on YouTube. Key points of the community guidelines. Respect. This is the golden rule. Treat viewers and creators with respect, avoiding them hate speech, harassment and bullying. Safety. Protecting minors is crucial. Avoid content that puts children at risk or exploits them in any way. Harmful content. This includes violence, threats, and content that promotes dangerous activities. Hate speech. Content that attacks a person or group based on race, religion, gender, sexual orientation, or other protected characteristics is strictly prohibited. Spam and deceptive content. Don't mislead viewers or create fake content designed to trick them. This type of content is not allowed to use on YouTube. In future, many people use them to mislead or deceptive people, but this is not happen right now. So don't create any kind of content with this mindset. Copyright. This is the big one. We already talked about this one. Copyright claims and copyright strike. You can see those videos in our channel. Following the guidelines, it's easier than you think. Be mindful of your content. Think twice before uploading anything that might violate the guidelines. Use common sense. Would you want your grandma to see your video? If not, it might be pushing boundaries. YouTube are very strict on this issue. If you get community guidelines, sometimes you will not see any strike in your channel, and without notify you, YouTube may remove your channel. You can see this channel removed. This channel is removed without any warning. So learn community guideline. So protect your channel for removed from YouTube. Report bad behavior. If you see someone violating the guideline, report it to YouTube. You can also go to YouTube community guidelines section. You can see this vlog, and you can also read this and all of this so you can understand better about YouTube community guidelines. Benefit of following guidelines. Keep your channel safe. Avoid strike and potential termination. Build trust with viewers. People appreciate respectful and positive content. YouTube promotes content that align with their guidelines. So I hope you understand this. What is community guideline and how it works. So guys, leave a comment in the comment section if you have any question, and like and subscribe this channel for more videos, and we will see in the next videos.